Get to know each other? Huh? So, here we are, a new place. Hopefully a long-term place. For me and Pixie. This is Coco, little Chihuahua. I let them out with Pixie in the backyard already. I put her out here last night when I moved in. And then, kind of let them see each other through the sliding glass door over there. At first, and they were barking and stuff, but after a little bit, I let them out, and they ran down, and they didn't try to bite her, but they were, growling and charging her. And, Pixie, okay, it's okay. You guys met already. You're good. You're good. So yeah, I let them down there. Pixie ran up the deck stairs past me inside, came back in, shut the door, let them have a little more time apart after they'd met, and then kind of cracked the sliding glass door a little bit so they could smell each other, and Winter here could poke his head through the sliding glass door but not get all the way in, and then I opened up a little more, and now they just met, and they're good. And this cat does not know what to think of this new big dog in the house. So these two had met already earlier, Winter and Pixie here. And it took them a while to get warmed up to each other. When they first got warmed up, Winter came off her leash outside and then ran at Pixie and wasn't trying to bite, was charging and growling though. Came off her leash, and I had to hold her back, and Pixie tried to get back up into the SUV, but I had her on a leash so she couldn't get very far, but neither one of them got hurt. And then we went out to the sidewalk, kind of neutral territory, and they sniffed each other after a while and got to know each other, and they were good. And then they were able to come in the house and go in the backyard together, and they just kind of ignored each other out in the backyard when they first got there, but then eventually they played and stuff. So, Winter, you guys are friends now? Pixie's liking the water bowl. I don't know where Coco went. Coco's like, that dog's too big for me. I'm out of here. I don't know what he's thinking. I'm just imagining that's why he left. You have a little too much attention down there, huh? A little too much attention? I don't know what that noise is. Winter, it's okay. It's okay, Winter. It's okay. Your friend's here. You got a friend now. She's checking out her new place. She was, like I said, was outside overnight, so the dogs wouldn't be fighting in the middle of the night while my new roommate was sleeping. Huh? Yeah. Hi, Winter. Hi. Hi. They're still kind of like, yeah, you're alright for a minute, but not ready to play quite yet. They weren't like full on playing the other day when I came over, but they were around each other and were civil. Here comes Coco back again. Grumpy old man. He's like 10 years old. Coco is. You're a grumpy old man. Got Coco. Not this. Hey. You salty? Want to go play, Pixie? Go play. She's like, he's too grumpy for me. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Pixie's really good at making friends, though. The dog park, dogs don't normally play, she'll go play with them. This is the deck where I went down, and she came up and ran past me. There's our new place. Backyard. Huh, Winter? It's our new spot? And looks like Pixie didn't want to eat her food last night. She just wanted to bury it. Got some more cleanup here to do. But anyway, yeah, she just buried her food. She didn't eat, and then she's up there sniffing their bowl like, where's my food? Pixie, come! Still working on a recall. See if this works. Plus, she's gonna do hot. There you are. Hi. Come on, come play. Come on, come play. Winter's checking out the bowl of food. Huh. I don't get the digging thing, or the, I don't know, I guess they just save it for later if they don't want it now, but it was late last night. Pixie, come! Hi. Come here. Come. Pixie, come. Hey. Pixie. Checking all the new smells, including the trash can. Yeah. Alright, anyway, that's it for now. Alright, so here we are, a little bit later. It's, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. It was funny. She quit now, but they were kind of, Pixie laid down after a little bit over there in the kitchen, and then Winter walked up on her and was sniffing her while she was sitting down, and Pixie was like turning her head around and stuff. Like, hey, what? You want to play? What are we doing? And then they both came over on me, so I started petting both of them at the same time. And then this one was super happy. It was like making a noise like that. And so I thought they were gonna have some fun and play, so that's why I turned the camera back on. But now they're just chilling again. Huh, there we go. Yeah, come here, Pixie. Come play. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Winter. Huh, play with Pixie. Yeah. Doing a little sniff, sniff. Huh? Yeah. There we go. The cat's still like, I don't know about you, dude. Or dudette. Girl. Anyway. She's guarding the stairs. Guarding the upstairs bedrooms. You happy? Are you happy you got a new friend? Huh? I'm on my white legs. It's coming in the spring here. Like pale white. No tans, what I meant. I'm a white person, so that would, comes with the territory, but they're especially white since I haven't been out in the sun much with shorts on. Huh. There's Coco, grumpy old man. Huh. You being a little happier now? A little happier? A little tail wag? Huh? Going back out? Winter, come. Come play. Come play. Come play with Pixie. Come on. Come on here and play with Pixie. Come on. I think Coco went back inside, huh? Probably. You like Pixie's toys? Bones? Huh? Where you going, Pixie? Where you going? You going to find Coco? Where's Coco? Anyway, that's it for now. They're not really doing much now. They're just kind of doing their own thing. Oh wait, here comes Pixie. Wanna play with Coco? Coco's like, I don't know about you. You're too big. You're too big. Huh. That's kind of what they did when I first came here to check it out and have them meet, was just kind of let them be, you know, have their own, do their own thing. They're like not playing with each other, but they're around each other. They're good. Coco's curious, but still not 100% ready to engage. Huh. Yeah, it's gonna be good.